Hello students. So yesterday we finished with radius ratio rule. So there I told you that it is this radius ratio which decides what type of a structure a solid will adopt. We talked about the radius ratio rule over there, and that rule stated that higher the radius ratio, higher will be the coordination number. Now let us have a look what is relation between the coordination number and radius ratio of the solid. For that, let us consider it is radius ratio, coordination number. So, if your radius ratio is 0 to 0.155, then your coordination number is 2. Coordination number will be 2 and geometry will be linear. If your radius ratio is between 0.155 to 0.225, your coordination number will be 3 and geometry will be triangular planar. If this radius ratio is between 0.225 to 0.414, coordination number will be 4 and the shape or geometry will be tetrahedral. 0.414 to 0.732, coordination number will be 6. Octahedral geometry will be there. 0.732 to 1, coordination number will be 8 and it will be cubic. In other words, we can say that these radius ratio will decide basically the position of the smaller ion, that is the cation. When I say that for a solid, coordination number lies between 0.414 to 0.732, it means the coordination number is 6. So basically your cation will be occupying the octahedral void. So on the basis of this, now we will be discussing the structure of a few solids. Here you should remember this, that this particular topic is not part of syllabus but is very important for basic examination for entry into engineering college, that is JEE Main. So we will be discussing a few structures which are important from that point of view. So the first structure in that is rock salt structure. Rock salt or structure of NaCl. So discuss this structure. Let us note down the radius. If we note down the radius from the table of constants, then radius of sodium cation, it is 102 picometers, and radius of anion, that is chloride ion in this case, will be 181 picometer. So if we calculate the radius ratio R cation by R anion, that will be 102 divided by 181, and when you will be making the calculation of this, it will come out to be 0.563. So if you go to the radius ratio and coordination number, this value of radius ratio for NaCl, it lies between 0.414 and 0.732, and for this range the coordination number was 6. It means in NaCl structure your coordination number of sodium cation will be 6. It will be occupying, sodium ion will be occupying the octahedral voids in the structure. And you know that octahedral void, they are present at the body center and the edge center. So in case of NaCl structure, chloride ion forms CCP structure. That is, it forms a FCC unit cell. It forms a FCC unit cell. Meaning thereby is, in the structure of sodium chloride unit cell, your chloride ion will be present at the corners and it will be present at the face centers. So let us draw the structure of its unit cell. So if we draw the structure of the unit cell of sodium chloride, then your chloride ions are going to be present at the corners. So I am drawing the chloride ions. They are present at the corners as well as at the face centers. Corners as well as at the face centers. So in this unit cell of sodium chloride, there will be a total of 14 chloride ions, and your sodium ion will be present at octahedral voids, and you know that octahedral voids are at body center and as at the edge center. So this red circle or red part, it is, I am just drawing the red circle. So it will be present at the body center as well as the edge center. So in all, there will be total number of sodium ions involved in formation of your sodium chloride unit cell will be 13. 13 sodium ions. I am not saying that 13 sodium ions are present in it. I am saying that 13 sodium ions will make up a unit cell. So this is the situation over here. Now if we calculate the number of different type of ions present with the our earlier discussed formula, that is the contribution made by corners, face centers. So number of sodium ions कितने होंगे? Number of sodium ions, they will be given by 1/4 into 12. Why I have written this 1/4 into 12? Because sodium ions are present at the edge centers and each edge is shared between 4 unit cells. So 1/4 and 12 edges are there, so there will be 1/4 into 12 plus 1. This one sodium ion is this one, which is present over here at the body center. So total number of sodium ions, they will be 4. Now number of chloride ions. Number of chloride ions. Chloride ions are present at corners. So 1 by 8 into number of corners 8 plus face center, that is 1 by 2 into 6, that is 1 plus 3, that is 4. So you see that in this unit cell there are 4 sodium ion and 4 chloride ion. In all, we can say the ratio of sodium ion and chloride ion is 1:1. That's why the formula of sodium chloride comes out to be NaCl. Now if we talk about the coordination number of a ion in this case, so both sodium as well as chloride ion both have a coordination number of 6, meaning thereby is that each sodium ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ions and each chloride ion is surrounded by 6 sodium ions. You can see that if we consider this chloride ion, if I consider this one, this chloride ion which is present at the face center of the upper face, then 1 2 3 4, अगर हम दूसरे यूनिट सेल में जाएं, एक ऊपर आएगा एक नीचे, so total coordination number will be 6. Similarly, if we extend, this is one unit cell, if we go to draw the structure of sodium chloride complete and we extend this unit cell towards right, if we extend this unit cell towards right, तो यहां पे फिर आपके क्लोराइड आएंगे, यहां पे क्लोराइड आएंगे, फेस सेंटर्स में, और एज सेंटर्स पे फिर आपके सोडियम आएंगे. अब अगर आप इस वाले सोडियम को देखें तो अगेन आपके कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 6 आएगा, 3 4 4, fifth one is this, sixth one is in the upper unit cell. So coordination number will be 6 for sodium ion also. Now other examples of this type of solids, that is the solids which form rock salt type of structures, are they are halides of alkali metal, halides of alkali metals, but not the all alkali metal halides, इसमें एक्सेप्ट हैलाइड्स ऑफ सीजियम. सीजियम के हैलाइड का स्ट्रक्चर अलग ही होता है, ठीक है. अमोनियम साल्ट्स दे अडॉप्ट, अमोनियम हैलाइड्स दे अडॉप्ट दिस स्ट्रक्चर. ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ एल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल्स, ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ एल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल्स. So these are the certain compounds. There are other examples also there. Halides of silver also form this, except silver iodide. Halides of silver, except silver iodide, they show rock salt type of structure. So these are the examples of rock salt structures. You can see for other examples. I have given a sufficient number of examples over here. This is the first structure दैट इज कॉल्ड रॉक साल्ट स्ट्रक्चर। इसमें एक चीज और मैं बताना चाहूंगा, कई बार ऑब्जेक्टिव में क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है, हाउ मेनी सोडियम एंड क्लोराइड आयन टुगेदर मेक अप द यूनिट सेल। तो हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कहा था 14 क्लोराइड और 13 सोडियम आयन, जब हमने यहाँ पे बात की थी इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया के अंदर। 12 एच के ऊपर एक बॉडी सेंटर में 13 हो गए आपके सोडियम, और कॉर्नर्स पे 8 और फेस सेंटर पे 6, 14 हो गए क्लोराइड। लेकिन अगर हम इफ वी गो बाय दिस, अगर यहां से इसको डिवाइड कर दें और हाफ ऑफ द यूनिट सेल में यहां से इसको हाफ कर दें, हम यहां से इस यूनिट सेल को डिवाइड कर दें हाफ में, और इससे आधा यूनिट सेल हम इधर आधे एक्सटेंड कर दें, आधा यूनिट सेल हम इस यूनिट सेल का ले ले, आधा यूनिट सेल हम इस यूनिट सेल का ले ले, दैट विल आल्सो मेक अप ए यूनिट सेल ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड। इन दैट केस पोजीशंस ऑफ द सोडियम एंड क्लोराइड विल बी रिवर्स्ड, बदल जाएंगी। अब आप देखेंगे कि सोडियम विल बिकम प्रेजेंट और दे विल बी प्रेजेंट एट द कॉर्नर्स एंड फेस सेंटर्स, whereas chloride will be at the body center and the edge center. So reverse is also true, but that is in case this choice is not there. Of course this is the basic thing, but if you consider the two halves of unit cell adjoining unit cell, then the positions of sodium and chloride are reversed, so number of ions also get changed. So this is all about the structure of rock salt structure or sodium chloride structure. The second structure which we are going to discuss, that is your structure of cesium chloride. Structure of cesium chloride. To discuss this structure, let us again consider the radius of cesium ion and radius of chloride ion from the table. अगर हम इसको नोट करेंगे, as I have noted it down from the table of constants, cesium ion is having a radius of 167 picometers, and chloride, as written earlier also, 181 picometer. Now if we calculate the radius ratio in this case, so radius ratio will be equal to R cesium plus R divided by R chloride, that is 167 divided by 181. This ratio will come out to be 0.9. Now this value of 0.92, it lies between 0.732 and 1, and for radius ratio 0.732 and 1, the coordination number is 8. So in case of cesium chloride structure, आपका जो यूनिट सेल बनेगा वो बनेगा बॉडी सेंटर। आपका जो क्लोराइड आयन है, अगर हम एक यूनिट सेल ड्रॉ करें सीजियम क्लोराइड का, तो हमारा क्लोराइड आयन जो है दैट विल बी फॉर्मिंग ए सिंपल क्यूबिक लैटिस, that is this one, this is your chloride, and cesium ion will be present at the body cell. Simplest of unit cell है। So coordination number कितना होगा cesium का? Coordination number is 8. The coordination number of chloride is also 8. Meaning thereby is in case of cesium chloride solid, Each cesium ion is surrounded by 8 chloride ions, and each chloride ion is surrounded with 8 cesium ion. If you wish to check how those chlorides are having 8 coordination number, then we have to join 8 such unit cells. हमें 8 यूनिट सेल ज्वाइन करने पड़ेंगे. जब आप 8 यूनिट सेल्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे, हर यूनिट सेल के बॉडी सेंटर पे सीजियम आएगा. ये 2 हैं, 2 इनके पीछे ले जाए हम. 2 यूनिट सेल अगर हम पीछे की तरफ एक्सटेंड कर दें तो उनके बॉडी सेंटर पे 2 सोडियम आएंगे और 4 इनके ऊपर. तो ये वाला जो क्लोराइड आयन है ये बॉडी सेंटर पे हो जाएगा इन द यूनिट सेल फॉर्म्ड बाय 8 सीजियम आयन. ये सीजियम इन दोनों के बॉडी सेंटर के सीजियम और जो 4 इनके ऊपर है उनके बॉडी सेंटर के सीजियम अगर हम लेंगे तो स्ट्रक्चर क्या बन जाएगा. हमारा जो स्ट्रक्चर है उसकी स्थिति कुछ ऐसी हो जाएगी कि हमारा जो सीजियम है, in terms of cesium, your now unit cell will become like this. Now here your cesium ions are present. These are cesium. cesium को हमने रेड से लिखा था इसलिए मैंने ये रेड से ड्रॉ किया है. और आपका क्लोराइड जो है वो यहाँ आ जाएगा. This is your chloride ion and all these red one are sodium ion. So, in fact, cesium ion is present in cubic void of chloride and chloride is present in cubic void of sodium ions. So, coordination number of both are 8. So, ratio of coordination number is 8:8, that is 1:1. So, the formula will be CsCl. Other compounds which form this type of unit cell or this type of solids, they are cesium bromide, cesium iodide, cesium cyanide, halides of thallium, except thallium fluoride. थैलियम फ्लोराइड को छोड़ के बाकी सब के सब थैलियम के जो हैलाइड्स हैं वो आपके सीजियम क्लोराइड के स्ट्रक्चर को ही अडॉप्ट करते हैं. सो दिस इज द सेकंड स्ट्रक्चर, सीजियम क्लोराइड. नाउ द थर्ड स्ट्रक्चर which we are going to discuss in this particular topic is that of zinc sulfide, zinc blend. Again, to discuss the structure of this, we first of all calculate its radius ratio. So, if we find out from the table radius of zinc plus 2 ion, it is 74 picometer, and sulfide ion the radius is 184 picometers. Now if we calculate the radius ratio of these two ions, it is R zinc divided by R sulfide, that is 74 divided by 184. And if we calculate this radius ratio comes out to be 0.042. Now this value of 0.042, it lies between 0.225 to 0.402. So 0.141, 0.225 to 0.414. So the coordination number will be 4. Coordination number 4 means that cation is going to occupy tetrahedral voids. So in structure of zinc sulfide, your sulfide ions, what are the characteristic feature of this zinc blend structure? Sulfide ions form FCC lattice. Sulfide ion form FCC lattice, and your zinc ions, they will be present in tetrahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids. But remember that these zinc ions, they do not occupy all the tetrahedral voids. They occupy only half the number of tetrahedral voids. अगर आप यहां पे देखें तो एफसीसी स्ट्रक्चर में जब रैंक निकालेंगे जिंक का, सल्फाइड का सॉरी, तो ये आएगा 4. सल्फाइड आयन अगर हम देखेंगे कि कितने हैं यूनिट सेल में, तो वो 4 रहेंगे. तो हमारे टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड कितने बनेंगे? 8. एज डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर आल्सो, the number of tetrahedral voids are just twice the number of ions. So if all the tetrahedral voids are acquired by, or they are being occupied by the zinc ions, then the number of zinc ions will be twice the number of sulfide ion. So formula of this zinc sulfide will not fit into that. In that case, if all the tetrahedral voids were occupied by the zinc ion, the formula would have been Zn2s, but the formula is Zns. So only half of the tetrahedral voids are occupied. So you can say zinc ions are occupying tetrahedral voids, but they are occupying alternate. They are occupying alternate tetrahedral voids. It means there will be only 4 zinc ions. So कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ये हमने डिस्कस किया ही था. टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड आपके कहां होते हैं? बॉडी डायगोनल्स पे. तो उसके हिसाब से आप इसको देख सकते हैं. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ बोथ जिंक एंड सल्फाइड, दैट इज 4:4, 1:1. सो द फार्मूला इज Zns. तो अगर हम इसको ड्रॉ करें, तो इसका स्ट्रक्चर ये हमारा यूनिट सेल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं जिंक सल्फाइड का. इसमें हमारे सल्फाइड आयन है यहाँ फेस सेंटर पे और कॉर्नर्स पे. और जो हमारे जिंक आयन होंगे वो कहां होंगे? ये हमारा बॉडी डायगोनल. टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड की पोजीशन कहां है? यहां पे. तो अगर हम सभी बॉडी डायगोनल्स को ज्वाइन कर देंगे तो हमारे पास टोटल जो है वो 4 बॉडी डायगोनल बनेंगे. उन पे 8 टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड होंगे. उनमें से एक को छोड़ के एक पे, जैसे इस पे है इस पे नहीं है तो नेक्स्ट वाले पे होगा, उसको ज्वाइन करेगा बॉडी डायगोनल. तो अल्टरनेट बॉडी डायगोनल्स के ऊपर हमारे सल्फाइड जिंक आयंस होंगे. तो आपका जो टोटल कंप्लीट स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करने में, क्योंकि ये 2D पे, आई एम नॉट सो गुड एट ड्राइंग, so you can have a look in books on the structure of this zinc sulfide. So you will find that these zinc ions are present at ultrahedral, and that is alternate tetrahedral bonds. The structure of this zinc sulfide, it is similar to that of diamond. Diamond is also having the similar structure. The only difference is in this case of diamond, all these zinc ion and sulfide ions, they are replaced by the कार्बन एटम्स. सिर्फ हम कार्बन एटम से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं इनको सभी को, जिंक और सल्फाइड आयंस को. जो दूसरे आपके कंपाउंड्स हैं जो इस टाइप के स्ट्रक्चर को अडॉप्ट करते हैं, वो आपका CuCl अडॉप्ट करता है, CuBr करता है, कॉपर ब्रोमाइड, कॉपर आयोडाइड, AgI और बेरियम सल्फाइड. ये बेरियम सल्फाइड एक्सेप्शन थी. कहां पे एक्सेप्शन थी बेरियम सल्फाइड? इट वाज एक्सेप्शन इन केस ऑफ सीजियम क्लोराइड स्ट्रक्चर. बाकी सभी अल्काइल अर्थ मेटल के सल्फाइड जो हैं वो सीजियम क्लोराइड टाइप स्ट्रक्चर अडॉप्ट करते हैं. सिर्फ बेरियम सल्फाइड जो है वो जिंक ब्लेंड टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर अडॉप्ट करता है. सो दीज आर द 3 बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर्स. देयर आर अदर स्ट्रक्चर्स आल्सो. You have a look on that. That is fluoride, anti-fluoride. So you have a look on those structures. If have any difficulties regarding that, you just drop a message in the message box. I will be discussing those. So I think it is sufficient for today. Do read other structures of compounds. Imperfections we leave for tomorrow. Thank you very much.